Driven into the searing isolation of the Judean wilderness following his baptism, Jesus faced 40 days of absolute physical depletion, setting the stage for a profound masterclass in spiritual warfare. The Tempter strategically weaponized this peak vulnerability, waiting for an environment of intense exhaustion and isolation to introduce insidious doubt. By questioning Jesus' divine identity, prefacing the assault with, "If you are the Son of God," the adversary attempted to exploit his extreme physical hunger and provoke a spiritual crisis, suggesting that his immediate suffering was incompatible with being God's beloved Son. The ensuing psychological assault targeted three core dimensions of the human experience by offering highly reasonable, seductive shortcuts designed to bypass the agonizing path of the cross. First, appealing to the physical, Satan suggested turning stones into bread to satisfy immediate hunger. Next, targeting the ego, he urged a spectacular leap from the temple pinnacle to force God's hand and gain instant validation. Finally, framing an ideological compromise, he offered absolute dominion over all worldly kingdoms, tempting Jesus to achieve a righteous end through corrupted means. Jesus effectively neutralized these calculated illusions not through emotional debate, but by wielding scripture as a decisive blade, relying on an objective authority outside of his exhausted emotional state. By refusing the easy paths and remaining perfectly aligned with the Father's will, he demonstrated how human nature can overcome the deepest allurements when fully surrendered to the divine, succeeding where humanity had historically failed. Conquered by this unyielding resistance, the tempter vanished into the desert winds, leaving the weary victor to be ministered to by angels in the quiet expanse.